Hi everyone. So today I wanted to show you how to get my app working and just kind of walk through some things. So first off, we want to go to Manage NuGet Packages. This will bring us up to the Package Manager, and really all we need is the Amazon SDK core and Amazon SDK Cognito Identity, I believe. It'll install the rest for you. And recognition. All this other stuff, don't worry about it. I don't think you really need it. If you do, it'll let you know. Anyway, without further ado, so here's my app. So you put in your email, username, and password, and then you hit register. And what that's going to do is it's going to ask the Amazon Cognito identity provider, saying, hey, I have this email username and password. Can I sign up? Sure, you can sign up. Then it returns the result. And what that result looks like is, like it just says the user signed in. So, once we're registered and signed in and everything, and email verified, we log in, which will then go and get a login response from Cognito, and then it will show the form with the main app here. And the way this form works is you choose a file, and then you tell it, hey, send it off to Amazon recognition. I want the labels for it. And that's taking care of the code right here. It gets my AWS credential files, processes the image data, and sends it off. And then it returns an array of labels. And we're going to say, hey, if any of those labels are hot dog. True, because if you've seen Silicon Valley, you know that one. Anyway, yeah, and then here we choose the file and parse the data. So, let's run it. Named test1234 with a password of ABC1234. Then we're going to register and send it off to Cognito. And it's going to say, hey, you're registered. Check your email. And if we look over to our user pool, we can now see our email is not verified. So we're going to go to our inbox. We're going to log in. It's going to say our login was successful. And then it should bring up our second form here. Okay. So we're going to choose a file. I like cats. And then we're going to send it off to recognition. And recognition's going to give back, hey, I think it's an animal. Also, hot dog wasn't in the labels that it returned, so I think it's safe to say that those are not hot dogs. Anyway, yeah, that's my app. It's pretty simple and tiny. It doesn't really do too much, but it interacts with AWS. It's pretty cool. Hopefully you enjoyed.